Let me give you a quick view of it. This is basically a camming bushcrafted buck saw. So we've got that cross member in there. And it's a forked stick. Come around you, Jim. We feed the log through and it cams on itself down there. And of course this could be tightened up a little, but that cross piece keeps it from actually camming all the way down. Then we can slide it through after we buck off the end. So Jim's gonna buck it real quick. There it is. Cordage free. Slide it, lock it in, and you're ready to go again.